Forget everything you know about the lead-back, flower-power Volkswagen bus of the past. While the original VW Type 2 bus was beloved for its simplicity and utility, it certainly wasn't known for speed or performance. That all changes with the Rocketbox, a jaw-dropping, custom-built VW bus that combines iconic retro styling with raw American muscle. This isn't just a modified van, it's a tribute, a reinvention, and a rolling work of art with the soul of a hot rod. The Rocketbox ditches the original underpowered air-cooled engine and replaces it with a 509 cubic inch V8, delivering a staggering 560 horsepower. That's more than 10 times the power the original bus ever had. The result? A vehicle that looks like peace and love, but drives like pure chaos. The Rocketbox was the brainchild of Bodo Reichert, a passionate builder who spent over a decade transforming this once humble van into a show-stopping beast. Sadly, Reichert passed away from cancer, but his legacy lives on through this incredible machine. Every line, panel, and curve of this VW has been lovingly reshaped with precision and purpose. For starters, this isn't a true 21-window bus. It was reimagined into one. The rear quarter panels were widened by 6 inches to allow more air to cool that massive engine. The custom tubular chassis provides the structural backbone, and staggered 17-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels give it the stance and grip needed to put that power to the pavement. And don't miss the exhaust system. It's routed through the body panels, exiting subtly through the top of the F-pillars. This custom setup not only looks sleek, but adds to the unique character of the build. It's the kind of detail that turns heads and drops jaws at every car show. Inside, the Rocketbox is as refined as it is aggressive. The cabin features Porsche 914 seats, a custom wood steering wheel, handcrafted center consoles, and an array of modern gauges. The odometer shows just 7,194 miles, making it almost as fresh as the day it was completed. It blends vintage charm with contemporary craftsmanship, a perfect pairing for enthusiasts who want performance and personality. But this isn't just a garage queen. The Rocketbox is set to cross the Mecum auction block at Monterey next month. Earlier this year, a dealer was asking nearly $80,000 for it, roughly the same price as the new Volkswagen ID Bus, VW's modern-day electric reinterpretation of the classic bus. And here's the kicker. While the ID Bus may be cleaner and tech-savvy, it simply can't match the soul, sound, and street presence of the Rocketbox. This machine isn't trying to be practical or environmentally conscious. It's here to deliver adrenaline, turn heads, and maybe rattle a few windows while it's at it. This bus doesn't need an ID badge. It has an identity of its own. Bold, loud, fast, and unforgettable. It's not just a van. It's a rolling tribute to creativity, passion, and American V8 thunder, built inside the shell of a German icon. So which would you choose? The clean, quiet hum of the new ID Bus, or the snarling, fire-breathing Rocketbox? For many purists and gearheads, the choice is obvious.